This is a video for problem 7.2.11, which is in the homework number 2, number 6. So here I actually have the problem all completed so that you can see where these numbers are actually going to come from. But we'll go through exactly how I got these numbers in StatCrunch. So they do give you a table for the normal curve, but to be honest, it's so easy to do it in StatCrunch, or even if you were, had a graphing calculator, that's normally how we do it in statistics. We don't normally go to the area table because it's just not that user-friendly. So I'll show you how to do this in StatCrunch. So in letter A, we have to find the area under the normal curve to the left of z equals -2. Plus the area under the normal curve to the right of z equals +2. Now, one thing I want to let you know here is that, first of all, the normal curve is symmetric. And I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. So the area to the left of -2 and the area to the right of +2 should be the same. So once we get the area of one of these, we can just multiply it by 2. So to get to StatCrunch, we're going to go to Question Help, StatCrunch, and where we find our normal calculator is we're going to go to Stat, we're going to go to Calculators, and then we're going to go to Normal. And here's our lovely normal curve. So see how it's beautiful and symmetric? It's the same on one side as it is on the other. So if I'm going to go and find my area to the left of -2, it's going to be the same as the area to the right of +2. Now to find that area to the left of -2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, see this less than means left. I'm going to put -2 right here and press enter. And as you can see, I'm getting this value 0.02275,013. And what we'll do is we'll just multiply that by 2. They wanted us to round to 4 decimal places, and that's how I got 0.0455. So take that value, multiply it by 2. Now just to prove to you that the area to the right of 2 is actually going to be the same exact number, I'm going to do the area to the right. So if I go area greater than, that's my right, and then I'll put +2 in instead, and see how my area is exactly the same. So you can either add this number 0.022751013 to itself, or just multiply it by 2. So that's how we got letter A. Now for letter B, it says find the area under the normal curve to the left of z equals -1.52 plus the area to the right of z equals 2.52. Now these are not the same, so I am going to have to find both and then add those probabilities together. So going back to StatCrunch, first I need -1.52. So I'm going to go to the left, less than, of -1.52, and press compute. And there's that area there, so I would write that down, 0.06425549. And then I need the area to the right, and I believe it was 2.52. I should write things down. Okay, so now I need the area to the right of +2.52, and click compute. And I'm getting 0.005867774. So I would add that to my other probability, and that's how we get 0.0701. Okay? Now next, I have to find the area under the normal curve to the left of z equals -0.22 plus the area under the normal curve to the right of z equals 1.4. So again, in this case, I am going to have to find both because they're not giving me the same number. So first of all, to the left of -0.22, we'll go less. So negative, what was it again, 0.22? Yes, 0.22. And click compute. And I'm getting 0.41293558. You know what, if you even wanted to, if we kind of click copy here, I'm just going to bring up a calculator to show you how you could do this. So I'm going to just put calculator into Google and get this nice little calculator. So I'm just going to paste that in. Oh, it's not letting me paste. So 0.41293558. 0.41293558 plus, let's go back. We have to find the area to the right of 1.4. So change this to greater than. And 1.4, and I'm getting 0.08075666. So 0.08075666, and I'm getting 0.49369. So we would round this 6 to a 7, 0.4937. Let's see if that's what they got, and that is what they got. Okay, so even having that calculator open just in Google is a really helpful thing unless you have one that you can use on your own. So let me know if you have any more trouble with this one, and I hope that that normal calculator helps you out a lot.